This 2027 Coachmen Beyond 22RB Li3 is a Class B RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2 and 28 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B RV features rear bath. This 2027 Coachmen Beyond 22RB Li3 is built on a Ford Transit 350 HD chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.